The VW van has been a cornerstone of the campervan world for decades, so whenever something new comes along with that badge attached, it's worth paying attention. And that brings us to what might be a glimpse into the future of VW camper conversions. I'm talking about the CamperKing VW T7 Freedom, and honestly, this one caught my eye in a big way. At this year's Motorhome and Caravan show in Birmingham, there was no shortage of impressive builds. We're still sorting through everything that showed up, but one standout was CamperKing's latest conversion built on the brand new T7. Or, more accurately, built on a Ford chassis. Yep, if you somehow missed it, VW has teamed up with Ford, and the new T7 is based on the Ford Transit Custom platform. It's a move that's been rumored for a while, and now it's officially here. CamperKing says the T7 Freedom can be had with diesel, hybrid, or fully electric power. Depending on the setup, you're looking at up to 170 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed DSG. As for the electric version, I've tested electric vans like the ID Buzz, and I'll be honest with you, I still struggle to see an EV fully replacing that classic camper dream. You know the one. Coastal roads, fully loaded gear, the dog loving life with his head out the window, and your partner smiling from the passenger seat. Constantly planning charging stops, especially once dirt roads and uneven terrain enter the picture, just doesn't feel like freedom yet. Since the T7 rides on the Transit Custom bones, some similarities are unavoidable. Up front, it still looks very much like a Volkswagen, but as you move toward the back, the Ford influence becomes more obvious. That also means interior dimensions are very familiar, which actually works in CamperKing's favor. They're able to offer both short and long wheelbases, along with different roof heights, giving buyers plenty of flexibility. Inside, that space allows CamperKing to pack in just about everything you'd want for real travel. There's a pop-top roof that adds sleeping space, bringing total capacity up to 4 people. That's right in line with premium campervans like the Mercedes Marco Polo, and honestly, when I first saw the interior, it reminded me a bit of classic Westphalia layouts, just with a more modern twist. One of the biggest selling points here is off-grid capability. CamperKing offers a self-generating setup, and the example shown with the orange and black interior is fully geared for it. We're talking induction cooking, battery-powered appliances, and a serious electrical system. There's clearly engine charging involved, solar panels on the roof, and the option to plug into shore power when needed. According to CamperKing, you can spec up to 1,000 amp-hours of battery capacity and around 240 watts of solar, which is impressive for a van this size. All that power runs the essentials and then some. There's a microwave, the induction cooktop, water pumps, lighting, and even an on-demand hot water system. That last feature is still surprisingly rare in this segment, and even some premium campers don't offer it, so it's a big win here. The galley itself is well thought out, with plenty of upper and lower storage, a removable sliding table, and of course, a fridge. Control panels and power outlets are neatly integrated along the sidewall, and there's additional storage tucked beneath the rear bench. That bench converts into a bed for 2, while the pop-top handles the other 2 sleepers. During the day, the upper bed folds away to give you more headroom, which makes the space feel far more open. Now, if you're already picturing this van in your driveway, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. CamperKing is based in the UK, so you'll need to be in Europe to buy one. Pricing also depends heavily on how you spec it. With so many options available, costs can vary quite a bit. To give you a rough idea, a 2025 T7 Freedom in that graphite and orange spec comes in at £79,140, which is about $105,000 at current exchange rates. That's not pocket change, but you're getting a lot of modern tech and capability for the money. That said, there are transit-based camper conversions out there starting closer to €65,000, so it's definitely worth shopping around. Still, if you're after something that feels truly modern, well-equipped, and ready for serious off-grid adventures, the CamperKing T7 Freedom absolutely deserves a spot on your short list. Let me know what you think about it and whether you'd take this over a more traditional camper. down in the comments.